What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, as you can see, unfortunately, this video is not as long as always because it's actually not one of my proper informational videos. Because actually, I was recording a video for today. Unfortunately, I do have to finish a project, so I remember and I was like, well, I need to get this done by today, and I still have to go to gym, do other stuff, so I wouldn't have a time to finish, recording an informational video, editing it, cutting it, blah blah, doing all that kind of stuff. So unfortunately, this video is more of a, you could call it a motivational video or whatever, but if you're new around here, either way, what I do want to tell you is, this is the Money Management. I upload a video every single day, and this is kind of one of the problems with uploading a video every single day. If you do, miss out on something somewhere along the line, then you're gonna have to sacrifice something. And in this case today, it's the YouTube channel. So, like someone asked me yesterday on one of the videos, hey, how do you, do you have an editor? I don't have an editor, so I record all my videos myself, I upload them myself, I cut them myself, I make my thumbnails myself, write my descriptions, whatever, all myself, and that's each and every day. So sometimes it's not always possible to make a video, and I'm sure you guys understand that. But I do want to say, we have reached 946 subscribers, so we're less than 60, so we're 54 away from 1,000 subscribers. So it'll be great if we can get that, before my birthday. So hopefully you guys, push so we can get that done. What else I want to say is, yeah, like I said, today's more maybe kind of a motivational video if you want to call it that, but my point here is it's Saturday now, it's the weekend. And if you're new around here, on this channel, the weekend is where we make winners. The weekend is where winners are made. The weekend is where we build empires. So what I do want to tell you guys today is, why I don't have a real, proper video for you guys, I do want to say, now is the time, not to slack, not to chill, but do what I'm doing, put in work, grind, as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but I'll show you right now. I have my laptop here, and like I said, I've got a project to finish, so that is going to take up most of my day today, obviously apart from going to the gym, doing some other stuff. But yeah, the message today is pretty simple. For those of you who are new around here, you don't understand that, but on this channel, we create, highly driven people with big goals, big dreams, big aspirations, people who want to accomplish a lot in their lives. So for that to happen, that means on the weekend, times like this, when it's Saturday, when everyone's chilling, relaxing, taking a step back, this is where we accelerate, this is where we move forward, this is where we put in more work, which is actually what I'm doing off camera. So that's exactly the point I'm trying to make. Weekend is for grinding, for hustling. Once you've succeeded, accomplished what you want to accomplish, then sure, you can take every single weekend off. I don't care. But what I'm trying to say here is, people are wired, programmed to think Monday to Friday is where you grind, you put in the work, you do the best you can. And then they forget about, Saturday and Sunday. This is how I always see it. Monday to Friday is most likely, you grinding to create other people's goals and dreams, overall in the whole context of things. And then Saturday and Sunday is the chance, the opportunity, as well as the evenings during the weekdays, for you to start grinding and hustling for your own goals and dreams. But a lot of people don't see it that way. They see Monday to Friday as their grind, their hustle, forget about the weekend. On this channel, we see it differently. Weekend is where we accelerate. And that's why I say the weekend is where winners are made, because you put in more effort. That's how you get to success. You put in more effort than the rest. The days where people are chilling, relaxing, sitting back, is the days you're putting in 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours of work, putting yourself ahead. The days others are taking a step back is where you're taking 2 steps forward. That's how it goes. So yeah, pretty simple message for today. Unfortunately, like I said, no real, informational video, longer than 10 minutes or whatever, just something quick, something short, but still something for you guys at least. But just as I said at the beginning of the video, that's the thing when it comes to uploading every single day, editing every single day, filming a video every single day. It does, sometimes get a lot, and it's not that, it's not manageable, because if you put your mind to it, you can do it. But some days you just don't have enough time. If you want to do everything you want to in the same day, sometimes you just don't have enough time. So like I said, today, for once, in however many weeks it happens, today YouTube is the sacrifice. So yeah. But tomorrow we should be back with a normal video as always, and then Monday motivation, so on and so forth. But like I said, use your Saturday to hustle, to grind, to put yourself ahead. Use your weekend to get ahead. Also, don't forget to leave a like, comment. I know again, yeah, you guys weren't expecting this kind of video, but whatever. Still comment. Tell me to check out your channel at least. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to that 1K, like I said. Also, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. Maybe not necessarily this video, but other videos on the channel you found helpful, because there are plenty. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching today's video, guys. Check out all the links in the description. We've got Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company. We've got cryptocurrency, stocks, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got a lot going on there. First link is a free guide to online business, so check that one out as well. But that's it, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.